Hi kids, let's learn to read together with Read Little Mind Read. Jig and Mag. Today, let's focus on the alphabet J with the sound J, J, jar, and the alphabet W with the sound W, W, watch. J, I, G, jig. Jig is a big pig. Come on, you can read the first word for me. That's right. J, I, G. Jig. Jig can dig and dig. Mag can dig and dig. Did J, I, G, jig win? Did Mag? Can you read that word for me? Yes, that's right. W, I, N, win. Did Mag win? Now let's read this sentence together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Jig did win. Excellent! Good job! You've got that first word now. Let me hear it. That's right. Jig and Mag ran. Mag can tag J, I, G, jig. Come on, let's read this one together too. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Mag did win. Good job. I hope that was helpful and that your reading is improving. Please like, share and subscribe to read together. Till then, bye-bye.